All right, this video is about coterminal angles. Coterminal are two angles whose terminal side is in the same location. So two angles whose terminal side is the same. It's in the same spot. So here's an example of two angles that are coterminal. So if we take our first angle, alpha, and we draw in standard position a 100-degree angle. So that would be 90 and a little bit more, 10 degrees more. And then we draw beta, which is negative 260 degrees. We're coming from the other side around 180 and more, and we end up with the exact same angle, the exact same side, except we were in a positive direction here and a negative direction here. That's just an example to illustrate what coterminal angles look like. Now, this is an example of smallest possible coterminal angles. So if we're going to look at the angle 800 degrees, let's look at what that would look like. All right, it's positive 800. So we're going to go 360, 720, and then we need another 80 degrees. So that would be about right there. Okay. So a small coterminal angle, I'm going to write the 10 right here. Okay. The smallest possible angle would be this piece right here. All right. And the way that you find that is you would take your 800 and you would be like, all right, well, I need to figure out what that piece is. And you would just subtract 360 and again and again. That's 440 and minus another 360 would be 80. So the smallest positive coterminal angle for 800 is 80. But that's not the only coterminal angle for 800. We also had that 440. That's coterminal too. We would go around here, around again, around here, and stop there. It would just be that little swirl. So more than 360. We could take 800 and add 360 to find a coterminal angle. Okay. We could continuously subtract 360 and go into the negatives. It doesn't matter. The goal or the way that you find them is you add or subtract 360 degrees to find coterminal angles. That's the rule. All right, so here's two examples that I'll just kind of do with you. To find two coterminal angles for 412, we could add 360. Those will be coterminal. We could subtract 360. We could even subtract another 360 because we know 52 is coterminal. We could subtract more. And on and on and on. There would be an infinite number of coterminal angles. All right, pause the video and find some coterminal angles for 92 and then come back. All right, you should be checking some answers as I do them. And obviously there's more possibilities as we add and subtract 360 to those. All right, that's coterminal.